Hello guys, welcome to Summer to Part. This is Summer. Today I'm going to introduce our new gloss black interior accessories for new Defender. And this kit is including these 4 parts, the armrest trim and the four doors trim and the steering wheel cover, and this is for the dashboard, the both side dashboard replacement cover. And in this videos we are going to show you how to install this on the interior Defender and also how's the look after we install it. So keep my channel and follow my videos to see how do we work on this. So first of all, I will show you where's the position of these products. So first of all, we can find we have this door panel trim, and there comes 4 pieces for Defender 110 and 2 pieces for Defender 90, and we can find this is the position for these parts for this trim. And before I install the carbon fiber sticker one on this part, and today we are going to remove it and use this replacement to install. And on the other hand, we have this new product which for the both sides, and some customers don't like the gray color from the original car, so we have the idea to make the chrome purple one and also gloss black and the carbon fiber one to replace this gray color trim. So this is the way after we finish this. So you can choose the interior color based on your original car look. If you have interest in the carbon fiber, I will show you the video in the later.